Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The best radiant floor heating is probably one of the most luxurious and energy-efficient ways to keep your home warm and comfortable, transforming chilly floors into a source of gentle, even heat that radiates upwards, eliminating cold spots and creating a cozy ambience unlike any other heating system, making it a sought-after upgrade for homeowners seeking both superior comfort and potential savings on their energy bills. Number 5. Warming Systems 15 square feet electric radiant floor heating mat. Introducing our 15 square feet electric radiant floor heating mat, designed for ultimate comfort. It provides a simple and effective way to warm your floors. This package includes everything you need: the heating mat, a programmable thermostat with a floor sensor, and an installation monitor for peace of mind. Installation is a breeze thanks to its flexible design and double-sided tape. It lays flat and can be flipped or turned to fit any space perfectly. Take full control of your comfort with the digital programmable thermostat. Accurately manage floor temperature for maximum coziness and energy efficiency. Built for durability and safety, this mat is only 1/8 thick, UL listed, and safe for use in wet areas. Enjoy reliable warmth for years to come. Proudly made in the USA with high-quality components, this system comes with a 25-year warranty. We stand behind our product with expert support. What we like? This system comes with everything you need for a smooth installation, including a helpful warning monitor. If you're looking for peace of mind and a comprehensive package, this is a great choice. It's ideal for DIYers who want an all-in-one solution with built-in safety features. What people say? It is easy enough to set up and offers all the programmable options I wanted. OB is a high-quality brand even if they are not as well known in the mainstream as some others. They start giving noticeable heat to your feet in 15 to 30 minutes but should be left on for about an hour to get the full effect. This was an amazing kit. Super simple install and works awesome. Heat is plenty good. Easy to use controller. Number 4. WiseWater AB5 Loop PX Radiant Manifold. Crafted from premium stainless steel, this manifold is built to last. Its corrosion and pressure resistance, along with superior thermal conductivity, ensure efficient and rapid heating. Everything you need is included. It features automatic air vents, shut-off and drain valves, a temperature gauge, and flow and balancing valves for complete control. Installation is a breeze with the included heavy-duty mounting bracket. No special tools are required, regular pliers or wrenches are all you need to connect the tubing. This unit offers 5 loops with a high flow rate of up to 1.4 GPM. It comes with 1-2PX adapters, and is compatible with 3-4 adapters for versatile application in radiant floor heating systems. We stand by the quality of our product with a 100% satisfaction guarantee. Contact us with any questions you may have about this essential heating component. What we like? This manifold is built with durable stainless steel for longevity and efficient heat transfer. If you're setting up a hydronic radiant floor heating system and need a reliable central hub, this is the one. It's perfect for those who appreciate quality materials and a pre-assembled unit for simpler plumbing. What people say? Everything assembled quickly and I had no leaks. It looks to me like they have updated the design to work with standard tapered pipe fittings. Comes with all the compression fittings for 1-2-inch PEX. Easy to install, best value, and it has been working for a year without any issue. Number 3. LuxHeat 20 square feet floor heating mat kit. Indulge in the luxurious warmth of our easy-to-install electric floor heating system. It provides radiant heat perfect for tile and laminate floors, ensuring a cozy environment. Designed for simplicity, this heating mat can be cut and turned to fit your space perfectly. Its self-adhesive backing ensures it lays flat and stays in place during installation. Take full control with our intuitive touchscreen programmable thermostat. It offers smart features like scheduling and energy monitoring for maximum comfort and efficiency. Benefit from our 50 years of industry experience and a 25-year limited warranty. This system is built with quality and reliability in mind, offering peace of mind for years to come. Our dual-wire technology significantly reduces electromagnetic fields, and the system is UL certified for safety, even in wet locations. Enjoy efficient, safe warmth throughout your home. Whether it's your bathroom, kitchen, or living area, this system is suitable for installation under various floor coverings, bringing warmth to any space you desire. What we like? Experience luxury and comfort with its advanced touchscreen thermostat and integrated GFCI for safety. If you desire a modern, user-friendly interface and enhanced safety features, this system is for you. It's particularly well suited for bathrooms and kitchens where GFCI protection is paramount. What people say. Really easy to set up. Used under tile and under vinyl plank flooring. The thermostat works well. Floors feel good to walk on in winter. Super warm. Easy install. Works perfect for space. Great instructions included. Good price, great quality, always comes with a screen box which makes it easy for install. Number 2. LuxHeat 35 square feet floor heating mat kit. Introducing the LuxHeat 35 square feet floor heating mat kit, your solution for luxurious and comfortable heated floors. Enjoy warmth under tile, laminates, and more with this easy-to-install electric radiant flooring system. Designed for convenience, this heating mat can be cut and turned to fit your space perfectly. Its self-adhesive mesh ensures it lays flat, making installation a breeze. Take control with the included OJ Microline UDG4 touchscreen programmable thermostat. Its intuitive design and 7-day scheduling offer maximum comfort while saving energy. Backed by 50 years of industry experience and a 25-year limited warranty, LuxHeat provides reliable performance and peace of mind for years to come. This system utilizes dual-wire technology for ultra-low EMF levels and is UL certified for safe use in wet locations. It provides consistent warmth at 12 watts per square foot. This complete kit includes everything you need: a 35 square feet heating mat, a cable alarm, and a programmable thermostat with GFCI protection and a floor sensor. What we like. This option offers a larger heating area, perfect for bigger rooms, while still featuring the advanced touchscreen thermostat and safety benefits. If you need to heat a more expansive space and want smart, easy control, consider this system. It's ideal for larger bathrooms, living areas, or master suites. What people say. Kept the tiles in our garage apartment bathroom warm for happy feet. Love the thermostat, very easy to use. Did not add much to the electric bill. The lighted control screen is high-tech. Settings include time, date, temp and heating indicator. Multiple times to set heating periods. We schedule it so it is warm when we are getting ready in the mornings and for bed at night. A warm bathroom tile floor is wonderful for old feet. Number 1. WarmlyYours TempZone Easy Matte Radiant Floor Heating. Tired of stepping onto cold floors? Imagine waking up to consistent, even warmth every single morning. This electric heating mat is designed to provide that luxurious comfort. Forget complicated setups. This mat lays flat and embeds directly into your flooring, requiring no cutting or intricate planning. Enjoy fast, hassle-free warmth exactly where you want it. Rest assured with its UL listing for wet locations and virtually no EMF emissions. It's built to last, backed by a 25-year warranty and lifetime technical support for your peace of mind. Experience affordable luxury tailored to your needs. It's perfect for heating smaller areas and complements a variety of flooring materials like tile, stone, and luxury vinyl. Featuring a high-output design, it ensures fast and even radiant heat distribution. Enjoy the perfect temperature underfoot, enhancing your comfort throughout the day. Ideal for bathrooms, kitchens, and entryways, it transforms any room into a cozy sanctuary. Enjoy the benefits of underfloor heating with this efficient and effective solution. What we like. Enjoy fast, even warmth with a mat designed for incredibly simple, no-cut installation. If you prioritize ease of installation and quick results, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for smaller, straightforward spaces like bathrooms or entryways where you want warmth without a complicated setup. What people say. Easy to install with provided detailed instructions. Excellent customer service and support. If you send the company your floor plan, they will send you a diagram of how to install the mat and the correct size to get, allowing for the 6 offset from the wall. The mats are good quality, wide enough, warm fast and work great. We put on 1/4 cement board over wood subfloor. We also added this product to the shower. I had to rework the mat a little to fit the drain for the arc shower pen we used in the shower, but it worked with no issues. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.